warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will present the journal analysis test that I made. First, let's read the preface.
أبكي على شام الهوى بعيون مظلوم مناضل وذب في
Amin. My name is Galidian Dedi Setiawan. Identify the of this journal. Patient ovarian ectopic pregnancy. Intervention preserve the ovary with recession can be done. Comparison to reduce post give birth anxiety. Outcome to determine the effect of diet with diabetes mellitus. How was the problem identified and formulated? Ectopic pregnancy is increasing now because of the use of infertility treatments and increasing use of contraception. On here inspection PAL push 1010 ppm BP 1000 per 70 nmHg. Free fluid is followed at stomach with care and tenderness. There was thin blood discharge per vagina with cervical tenderness. Uterine cyst cannot be met because of severe tenderness. Will fornicial fullness abdominal parasitis is present. Revealed homoperitoneum. Hemoglobin is 8% and urine pregnancy test positive. What was the objective of the study? To investigate ectopic pregnancy by experimenting the use of infertility treatment and increasing contraceptive use. What was the hypothesis of the study? Rhythmic relaxation and breathing technique are effective for relief postpartum patient anxiety. Formulate the clinical question of the study. What are the criteria for diagnosing ovarian pregnancy? What was or were study design used by the researcher? Randomized controlled clinical trial study. When and where was the study conducted? In Mysore, India. Time is not mentioned. Who were the setting and subject determinant? How was the sample drawn? Many of them are related to intrauterine devices, tubal infertility, and ligation using the sampling method previously presented with abdominal pain and vaginal bleeding for 1 day's duration. What types of instruments were used in the study? Data collection and technique or interviews, observation, and questionnaire. Mention the inclusion and exclusion criteria of the patient. Inclusion criteria: patient without any physiologic hearing and pronunciation disorder, and patient with ovarian ectopic pregnancy. Exclusion criteria: no cooperative patient who are in conscious conditional honest patient. How was the study procedure conducted? 1. Before the intervention, all patients were given information about research objective and methods. 2. Next, I written informed consent form is signed by the patient who willing to agree to take part in the research. 3. Patients are selected using an AC sample method. 4. Follow-up. 5. Data analysis. How was the data gathered? Who gathered the data? Using cognitive and somatic questionnaires before giving birth. What technique of analysis was or were used by the researcher? The collected data were analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistics via the SPSS V221 software. Statistical tests using in this study were the rapid measure analysis of variance or ANOVA, chi-square, and Kurzweil-Wallis test. What was or were the results like? The application of both techniques reduce the level of patient anxiety after the diagnosis. Rupture ovarian pregnancy is very important to have histological diagnosis, not always ovariectomy must be done if the ovary pregnancy of deemed necessary maintain ovary weight resertion done. What was or were the strengths and weakness of the study. From a practical point of view, or research findings support the findings the effect of both ectopic pregnancy of cognitive and somatic moments. Taking the consideration discussed of the finding of this study provide evidence to pregnancy use and increased use of contraception. Somatic conflict further research is needed. Limited that has been documented and explored. Environment in various populations. Was or were there any side effect of the study? If there was or were, explain it or them. Not started. What was the conclusion of the study? The conclusion of the study is that ovarian pregnancy is very important to have histological diagnosis. Not always ovarectomy must be done in the ovary pregnancy if deemed necessary. Maintain ovarian with resection done. Thanks. Any question? Jika tidak ada, saya pamit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.